Hi everyone, check out the Hot Mom Baby High Chair, a stylish and durable seat made from aluminum and PP material. It features a removable feeding tray that makes feeding and cleaning up super easy and quick. The M-shaped base provides a wide and sturdy stance for maximum stability and safety during mealtime. This versatile 3-in-1 chair adjusts to grow with your child, serving as a high chair, booster, or study chair up to age 10 and beyond. Plus, the adjustable legs, footrest, cushioned seat, and 5-point harness ensure comfort and security at every stage. Designed with a classic black and gold finish, it adds a sophisticated touch to any dining room. Assembly is simple with no extra tools needed, making it perfect for busy parents on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.